Hello, and thank you for joining me on another episode of The Average EV. Today, we're going to be talking about the IQ Drive that comes on board the 2023 ID.4 and all other ID models. Let's get into it. All right, everybody. So again, we're talking about the IQ Drive that comes on board all of the ID models. And this is with the 3.1 software. So not all of these features are available with the lower trims, but most of them are as far as I'm aware. But here we go. Before we get into it, everybody, I just wanted to remind you to please give a like and a subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can stay up to date with all new content coming from The Average EV. And that's really all I've got to say about that. Additionally, please follow the Twitter account at The Average EV, where I give you behind the scenes looks into what's going on with The Average EV. So let's get into IQ Drive. There are a bunch of features that come with IQ Drive, and here they are. We've got adaptive cruise control, travel assist, lane keep assist, lane change assist, active blind spot monitoring, rear traffic assist, front traffic assist, and emergency assist. Okay, so all these features make driving safer and easier, and I'm a fan with most of them, and most of them work as intended. So first, we've got adaptive cruise control. As you can see, it's active right there, and all that means is you set how far you want to be behind the car in front of you, and the car will actively keep you at that distance and at the desired speed when possible. If the car in front of you becomes too slow, it is going to adjust and it's going to slow your speed down, just like any other active cruise control system that you may have used before. All right, next we're talking travel assist. So travel assist has a bunch of features. It builds upon active cruise control, and as you can see, it has the lanes and helps keep me in the lane, keep me driving, and will also, if there's a curve or whatever, it'll keep me in the lane. Here we're coming up on a curve, and you'll see how it works. There we go. And I just took my hand off for a second so you can see it's turning itself and it's adjusting. That was not me doing anything. That was the vehicle doing it itself. So that's travel assist. It's a really great feature because it helps reduce driver's fatigue when you're driving great distances. Next, we have lane keep assist, which is kind of a part of travel assist. It'll keep you in the lanes you want. Some people like this, some people don't. My wife actually doesn't like the lane keep assist, so she turned it on, but I turned it back on because I like the lane keep assist. But it does keep you centered in the lane, and from my experience, it keeps you right in the center. My Hyundai Kona with the lane keep assist also keeps me in the center, but when I drove the Tesla Model 3, that keeps you a little bit too far to the left for my liking. But you know, it is what it is. Next is lane change assist, which is a super cool feature. As you can see, there are those grayed out arrows. When the vehicle thinks it is safe to change lanes, it'll light up white. So this car is about to pass, and as soon as it passes, that arrow should turn white. There it is. It says I can change lanes. Now, not all the way, but just like a quick light tap down on my my turn signal for a left lane change. This pops up, check surroundings. So I look, it looks good. It moves me, and then it is done once I am in the lane I'm supposed to be in. So that works really nice. Here, I'll give you another example. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can get the whole view of the road. And again, it's white. I click lane change, and it moves it for me, nice and gentle, nice and easy, gets me centered, and then I'm back with travel assist. So again, it's a nice feature, the lane change assist, and that was a new feature for the 3.0 software. Next is active blind spot monitoring. As you can see, the little orange light lights up there. There's one on both sides of the vehicle, and that helps you keep focused. And if you go to make a lane change, it'll also alert you to that, which is nice. So again, another great safety feature of the ID.4. The last couple features that come along with IQ Drive are rear traffic alert. So if you're going to back up your vehicle and someone's going to come by, it'll alert you and tell you to stop. And that's a nice feature if you're in a parking lot and you're trying to back out and maybe you're surrounded by trucks, you can't see everything, and it'll let you know. A nice safety feature, which comes standard on a lot of vehicles nowadays. Another is front traffic. I'm not going to test this out because I don't want to, but if you're driving too fast and the vehicle thinks you're going to collide with the car in front of you, it will alert you and it will assist you in slowing down so that you do not collide with the vehicle, which is a great feature because I think most people like having their vehicle and not crashing it. And the last feature, which I'm also not going to demonstrate, but I will try and explain as clearly as I can, is the emergency assist. So in the event, maybe you fall asleep at the wheel, maybe you have some kind of medical condition where you might fall asleep, which is not, not convenient for driving. The vehicle will actually bring you to a complete stop. So the way it works is, if your hands are not on the wheel, it'll alert you. It'll tell you to take control of steering. If you don't do that after, and I did test it once, it was about 18 or 20 seconds, and this had travel assist on, it will harshly brake. Every time it's braking, the ID light's going red. It's trying to get you to wake up or pay attention. If you still don't take control, it will eventually bring your car to a complete stop. The way they do it is hopefully to A, wake you up, and B, alert the drivers around you that something is wrong, and then obviously bring you to a complete stop so that hopefully a police officer or someone comes along and is able to assist you with whatever may have occurred while you were driving. So that is another great ID.4 feature with the IQ Drive to keep drivers safe and to help reduce really issues when driving. All right, everybody, so that is it with IQ Drive. It is a great system of features that help make driving easy, help reduce driver fatigue, and make driving safe. I mean, this comes standard with the ID.4, which I think is amazing. A lot of cars don't come standard with some of these features, which I think is absolutely insane, but the ID.4 comes standard. It's a great set of features, and I'm really pleased with this car and the features that come on board. So that is all I have for today with IQ Drive. If you've got any questions, anything else you want me to cover, please leave those down in the comments below. Always remember to give a like and a subscribe, share it to your friends. Anything helps me grow the channel so I can bring you all bigger and better content. I love covering the ID.4, and I'd love to cover more EVs that fit the everyday average person like you and me. Again, thank you for watching, and I will catch you all next time.